They don't make 'em like this anymore. Look at this. It's not just metal. It's a memory holding its breath. Somewhere in the dust of the past, this light went out. It's been waiting years for a human touch. Just like us. Sometimes we aren't broken. We just need a little connection to feel alive again. That sound, the slide of the battery, the screw of the cap, it's the sound of 1990, the sound of your grandfather's house. Watch closely. Are you ready for the magic? And there it is, a heartbeat in the dark. If this unlocked a core memory for you, like this video, and tell me, who did this remind you of?